Hello everyone. This is in continuation to the various numerical problems what we are doing in logarithms. The next problem is if half times log 11 plus 4 root 7 to the base 10, if it is equal to log 2 plus x to the base 10, then find the value of x without using log tables. So let's proceed with this. It is given half times. So I can take this half to the power, means I will first write down log of 11 plus 4 root of 7 to the power of half to the base 10. I can equate that to the right hand side, which is 2 plus x log to the base 10. So from this, I can now equate 11 plus 4 root of 7 to the power of half is equal to 2 plus x. Now let us square it on both sides. Squaring on both sides, we get 11 plus 4 root 7 to the power of half, whole thing to the power of 2, because I am squaring, is equal to 2 plus x, the square. So when I square a square root, this will get cancelled. Half into 2 is 1. So I will simply write it as 11 plus 4 root of 7 is equal to, now this is like a plus b the whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So now we have x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 11 minus 4 root of 7 equal to 0. Let us further simplify this. X square plus 4x, and this will become now negative 7 minus 4 root 7 equal to 0. Now this further I can simplify this as x square minus 7, okay, and then I can take out 4 outside, x minus root 7 equal to 0. Now this x square minus 7, I can express that as x square minus root 7 the square plus 4 times x minus root 7 equal to 0. This expression is like a square minus b square. So I can apply a plus b into a minus b plus 4 times x minus root 7 equal to 0. Now, in this and in this, the common term is x minus root 7. So inside, I can write it as x plus root 7 plus 4 equal to 0. Means when I take this x minus root 7 as common, here you have x plus root 7, here you have only 4. Okay. This implies that x should be equal to root 7 or x should be equal to minus of root 7 plus 4. So root 7 here, 2 plus root 7. Yes, it is a positive number. Logarithm is possible. Whereas if I substitute this negative root 7 plus 4, here it will become negative root 7, negative 4. So the whole thing becomes negative. So I have to declare this as not applicable. Therefore, x equal to root 7 is the solution. So in case if you find the contents of this video to be useful to you, I request you to please like it, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.